So this video is pretty much for anyone that's in a position right now where their job is just killing them. Whether it's from the hours, the mental capacity of, man, I'm not really enjoying my life, or maybe you're also thinking, I can get paid more. There's got to be something else. But the problem is when you run across make money online videos, especially when we start editing them, it's hard to get the real insights. Plus, people don't have the framework. They don't have the framework to get you the information. They think they have to be hypey. So if you're working 8 to 12 hours a day to provide for your family, you love providing, you just want the life that you can enjoy on top of providing, because you only got one life. That's what people forget. And I was the young gun when I got into manufacturing. At the time I was like 22, and I was just running full head of steam. And then eventually the body starts breaking down when you're working those long hours. And then eventually it's a mental thing. It's like, this just can't be it. This can't be the flow. And then if you've been working for over a decade, it doesn't stop. I mean, I don't know if a lot of people don't get that the retirement is 67, 65. And those numbers are off of how much you get in Social Security. If you have pensions and extra benefits, maybe you work for the military or something, even better. But a lot of people don't realize the majority are gonna live off Social Security. And I've had people that kept working. I've had guys that I was working with that were 60 saying that they're bored, but I know it's the cash flow. The biggest thing you gotta realize is it's not about going viral, and it's not about posting 20 pieces of content a day. It's not about being a sales expert. It's about having something that people want to buy because they need the education or they need whatever the service or product is. I'm in the software coaching space. So my goal is to help you make compelling content right from your phone on the go. Like I like shooting these type of videos very specifically. You see the background. It's nothing special about this video. It's nothing special about me. And all I'm doing is stopping the scroll and bringing my viewer on a customer journey, meaning I'm giving them what they need. The technical side of this is not important, because what I'm specifically offering, what you'll be specifically offering, is automation. Like, this thing is built to run when you're not on the phone. So you're gonna put these pieces of content in the atmosphere, and I'm gonna show you how to structure them. I'm gonna show you what to say and why to say it. And they're gonna go and find gold. They're gonna sift through the sand until they find gold. I don't talk to people and beg them to buy what I have. They need this software, they need this coaching, they need to learn this skill. It's not what I do. And I think a lot of people in the workforce think that's what you do. You see insurance salesmen and stuff like that, and you think you're a car salesman or something. This is the most lucrative business that I think, and that's just opinion based, because you can take 2 to 3 hours a day, whenever you got the time, and do these pieces of content and upload them, and they do what they do. Because long as you can grasp the attention, and long as you can bring people on a sales process, meaning getting them engaged in the content, speaking to them, they're gonna make the decision on their own. And I think I needed to post this video because what I do is I like to attach it to my reels. And you don't have to be on every single platform, but when you see how this thing works, you're gonna be downloading every platform because it's gonna make you money. And the biggest thing I can do to separate the viewers that's watching this video right now is the average person in the business that I'm in make $0. I want you to really sit with that. They make $0. This is a effort business. Like, you put in effort every day to make money. This is an effort business. If nobody buys anything, you make no money. But I'll leave you with this. This is a recurring business. So we're not just doing one-off sales. For example, you sell a $5 product, make $5, and you got to keep doing that. This is a recurring business. So imagine this. You pay for gym membership, you pay for Netflix, and you don't always watch Netflix and you don't always go to the gym, but you use those things and they're important in your life, those people get paid, whether you go or whether you do not show. And that's how you provide and be happy at the same time. So if you want the framework, if you want to see the process, my website's going to be in the description. And that's that.